Hello guys, welcome to i-tutor. Today we will discuss the choice-based credit system. We already discussed last video and we stopped in the grade system there. I hope you remember the things. So just revise it thoroughly and just follow the today's video that is about grade system and how to calculate it. Right. So we will start it and hope you remember the application date extended till 9th March. So जो नहीं किया अभी तक application, please do it soon and we will start today grade and grade points. Right, there is a 10-point grade system is introduced by UGC in the CBCS credit system. Right, that is you can see here in this video grade and grade point. So grade is like alphabet. It is represent O, A plus A, B plus B, C, P, F, A, B. Okay, in bracket I just mentioned here. O is outstanding, A plus is excellent, A is very good, and B plus is good, and B is above average, C is average, P is pass, F is fail, and A, B is means absent. Like, and accordingly their grade also. Then it's a 10-point grade, and O means outstanding means full grade. 10 grade is there. A plus is 9, A is 8, B plus is 7, B is 6, C is 5, P is 4, just pass. Right, and F is 4, 0, and AB is also 0 grade. This is how to mention the grade system. And when there is a when there are a large number of students, CBCS system has to be implemented with the online system, because it's easy to calculate through online. Everything you just put it in the software, it will update in according to the institution need. Right, so the system has to be implemented with the online system to meet the requirements effectively. It will help the students to choose the subjects and teacher subject and teacher of their choice, but there should also be restrictions that if a student fits into the eligibility criteria of institution, then only they can choose the subject of their choice. Of course, so they have their own according eligibility criteria are there. If that fulfill, then students can choose their subjects accordingly. Through online system, the teacher would also be able to share their notes, discuss the subjects with their students, take test, etc. So nothing is impossible nowadays. All the higher education system and school systems are following the online system. Online attendance are there, online assignments, online discussion, seminars, everything is through online they are handling. And the online system should be user friendly and easy for teachers also. It should also be able to print the mark sheet as per the institution requirements. After the selection of the subjects by the students, a timetable could be generated, which would help the students and the teacher to be aware of their class and the subjects. The online system also help the teachers in taking attendance of their subject for each student. It will decrease the workload in maintaining the register and would be easy to calculate the percentage for each student. Right, and the system should be able to generate report as when and when required. Right, it can automatically, because everything is feeded in the software, that system. So institution can generate what they want, whenever they want they can generate just a click. Right, and it should be programmed as per the institution's requirement, like a report for students performance, subject wise report, attendance report, etc. The system should be able to store past records and data so that it could be easily accessible as and when required. It will also help the institution to evaluate and to improve the effectiveness of its system in future. Okay, and the UGC recommends semester grade point average, that is SGPA, and cumulative grade point average, that is CGPA. SGPA and CGPA, it's a calculation of grades in the semester system. Okay, one is SGPA is for each semester ka calculation, and CGPA for all the semester calculation, and it is the ratio of the sum of the product of the number of credits with the grade point which a student score and the sum of the number of credit of all the courses which a student has undergone. right? And SGPA, it's symbolized SGPA, and is equal to CI into GI divided by CI. That is how to calculate the SGPA. I will explain thoroughly. And the CGPA is calculated taking into consideration of all the courses a student undergoes of all the semesters of the program. That is CGPA, all the total. That means suppose you are in a degree course, so that have total of in 1 year there is 2 semesters are there, okay. And SGPA is एक सेमेस्टर का कैलकुलेशन है, ग्रेड कैलकुलेशन है. एंड CGPA is if you have फर्स्ट ईयर, सेकेंड ईयर एंड थर्ड ईयर डिग्री आर देयर. टोटल 3 years का प्रोग्राम है डिग्री. सो यू हैव 2 semesters in each year. So total 3 years and 2 semesters in each year. So total you have 6 semesters. So CGPA is a calculation of total 6 years ka grade, right? And abbreviation also I just put it here. SI means, what is SI? SGPA of the semester, right? And CA is total number of credits in that semester. Credit means you have each course or subject होगा, और each subjects को and each credits को एक score होगा, credit होगा. तो maybe it's 3 होगा, it's 4 होगा, it's 5 होगा, it's 8 होगा. That is depends. Okay. And GA is the grade point scored by the students in the course. And SGPA and CGPA shall be rounded off to 2 decimal point, which come out the result of the students. Then only it can convert it into a grade, right? And how to illustration of the SGPA. SGPA कैसे calculate कर सकते हैं? I already told you each subject or course have their own credits. That is course 1, 2. Here mentioned 8 courses. So credit also mentioned here. You can see the column based credit and the courses are there. And grade letter is there. Grade point is there. And credit point is here. How to calculate credit point? It is the grade point into credit. That is grade point is 8 and credit is 4. So 4 into 8, that is 32 is the credit point, right? And how to calculate SGPA here? And SGPA is the total credit point divided by credit. That is total credit. That is how much is the total credit. Here is 25. And how much is the credit point? That is 174. You can make it out in this chart or column or table. So it's very easy to calculate, right? So this is about SGPA. And now how to calculate CGPA. And each semester you already calculated your SGPA, right? And total credit also you know how much is the total credit in each semester. So total semester maybe it's a 4 year, maybe 8 semester होगा आप लोगों को. So it how to calculate 24 into 7 plus, that is 24 is the first semester का credit into 7 is the SGPA score. Then ये पूरा plus total add करेंगे, divided by total कितना आएगा, total credit कितना आएगा, that is 200. Out of 200 is equal to 8.2 you will get. And then calculate the grade point according to the grade CGPA, right? That is you can calculate from this table. It's very easy to calculate it also. So that is about SGPA. Okay, just go through this table and analyze it. If you have still you have any doubt, you just comment it on comment box. And the conclusion from the this choice-based credit system is it's a transcript or it's a format based on the above examples on letter grade, letter point, SGPA, CGPA. Students' result are consolidated for each semester and consolidated report are made indicate the performance of the students in all the semesters. This is the CGPA, SGPA are the, and letter point, grade point are the base of the evaluation, actually based on the choice based credit system, right? Thus we can use UGC and NBA have done a commendable job to make the Indian education system as par with its global peer. We are sure gradually with more effective measures our Indian education system will also come. You can now new education policy we already discussed in our video also for the IGNOR registrar exam, so you can go through that. And new policies are implementing yearly. They are UGC and higher education ministries are working on this new policies, how to develop the Indian education system. So it's a part of that. You just go through everything and remember the abbreviation and everything also, and just calculate just study about the calculation of SGPA and CGPA. And if you have any doubts, put it in the comment box. Okay, Thank you. This is the last topic of our teaching aptitude. We concluded the teaching aptitude today, and next video we will discuss the MCQs from the teaching aptitude. We already discussed the 20 MCQs in between, so now 20 more MCQs we will discuss next videos, and in between or more questions are there. The last, you also just go through the last year's UGC papers. You will get the books also like that. So it's very helpful, and practice more questions. That's the key success of the exam. That's the only way to succeed this exam. Okay, just do it the papers thoroughly, last year papers and sample question papers. You just do it thoroughly, and also you just study the subject too. Okay, so this is about teaching aptitude. If you just go through all the videos of the teaching aptitude, if you think some topic is missing, then just inform me and I will cover that. Okay, and after the MCQs we will start the next unit, that is research aptitude. Okay, thank you.